Lot 2596A, 1995, Polaris SLT 750, freshwater jet ski, Minnesota. We're tearing this machine down into parts. It's a good running machine. We are located in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. You can give us a call, 218-844-4968, to purchase parts off this machine. We have many Polaris parts in inventory. So if you don't have something, give us a call. We'll find it for you. There's the gauge. Very clean freshwater machine. No corrosion issues anywhere. All the parts are good and clean. Reverse lever, mirrors, handlebar pads not faded, still soft yet. The engine's clean. Electrical all works. Thanks for stopping by.